Let's see how you can use Deepseek AI on your any iPhone or Android. For that, you have to install the app from the App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store from your Android. Open the app and sign in using your email or phone number or Google account. I'm signing in with my Google account. Accept terms, agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Confirm login, choose your Google account and hit continue. Now start chatting. You will now see Deepseek AI, which works a lot like ChatGPT. Type in your question and get instant response. Enable advanced feature. Try DeepThink R1 for smarter AI replies. You can also enable Google search integration for real-time answers. Take or upload photos or documents to analyze or ask questions about them. For create a new chat, use the top right button to start a fresh conversation anytime. From the top left corner menu, find the chat history. You can access past chats from here. Deepseek AI is still improving, so sometimes it might not have all the answers, but overall it's amazing tools to make your daily life easier. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.